Hello, I am Yana Nu from TE Connectivity, and today I would like to share with you some exciting news about our two most recent product launches, AMPMODU 2mm and AMPMODU 1mm, which we also refer to as Small Centerline. These product expansions support the global trend for board miniaturization and the ever-growing demand for smaller components. Both products are designed for signal transfer and are suitable for high-density systems in PLCs, servo drives, industrial controls, home automation devices, test and instrumentation equipment, and other applications. TE Connectivity's AMPMODU 2mm with its 2mm centerline can save you up to 38% PCB space when compared to the traditional 2.54mm product. AMPMODU 2mm is rated to 2 amp, and this product family includes a variety of reliable board-to-board and wire-to-board solutions. Our connectors come in variety geometries and mounting styles to allow for flexible board design and orientation and multiple stacking options. Our headers can be actually mated with other major brand receptacles and are available with multiple solder tail lengths to accommodate PCB thicknesses from 1.6 to 2.4 millimeters. When it comes to wire applications, our Crimp terminals can accommodate wire sizes from 30 to 24 AWG and can be terminated with TE recommended manual or automated tooling. The other group of products that I want to mention to you today is the AMPMODU Small Centerline, which with its 1mm row-to-row and pin-to-pin spacing can save you up to 85% on a PCB. AMPMODU 1mm is rated to 1 amp, and even in this miniature design, we are still offering a dual beam contact design on our receptacles to ensure a reliable signal transfer in your applications. While you have big plans for this product family, and we're planning out to build a complete portfolio over the next 2 to 3 years, we're first coming to the market with a smaller subset of products, and that is dual row vertical surface mount board receptacles and breakaway headers, which are available in 2 to 50 positions per row. So this was a very brief introduction to our two new product launches, but stay tuned because we have many more expansions planned for both product families. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to hearing about your opportunities and needs, or visit our website at te.com for more information.